Monkey, giraffe, horse, squirrel. Monkey, giraffe, horse, squirrel.
Monkey,
Mm-hmm.
giraffe,
Mm-hmm.
horse,
Mm-hmm.
squirrel.
Thank you. Now let's see, what do they eat? Now we've got bananas here. Who eats bananas? Does a horse eat bananas?
No.
No. Does a squirrel eat bananas?
No.
No. Does a monkey eat bananas?
Yes.
Yes. The monkey eats bananas. Thank you. Haydi kaşıguti.
The monkey eats bananas.
Thank you. Eats.
Eats
Eats bananas. Thank you. Good job. Now we've got nuts here. Who eats nuts? Does a giraffe eat nuts?
Not.
No, not really. Does a squirrel eat nuts?
Yes.
Yes. The squirrel
The squirrel is nuts.
eats
Eats nuts.
nuts. Thank you. That's right. Now here we have hay. Who eats hay? What animal eats hay? Does a giraffe eat hay?
No.
No. Does a horse eat hay?
Yes. The horse
Yes.
is hay.
The horse
Horse is hay.
eats.
Eats hay.
Thank you. And finally, we have leaves.
Leaves.
Who eats leaves?
Who? The giraffe. The giraffe.
The giraffe eats
Leaves.
Thank you. Good job.